Okay, so yeah, in this video we will do this question, find k closest element. So we have to find, so let me explain it to you with the example. So suppose we have given an array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, and see x is equals to 2. Okay, and k is equals to 4. We have to find 4 closest element to 2. So suppose x is equals to 3. I'm taking that example only. So this is my x. Okay. So 3 is closer to 3. 3 minus 3 is what? Uh, if we do 3 minus 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 0. 3 is closer to 3. Okay. Now 2 or 4, which is closer to 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. But we will take mod, so 1. And 4 minus 3 is also 1. And we will take mod, then 1 is the answer. So see, if I take this is minus 1, but we will take mod, so it will become 1. So if tie happens, so here see tie is happening, both have 1. So we will take this left element. Okay. Now uh, if 1 and 5, so 1 and 5, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, but we'll take more than 2, and 5 minus 3 is also 2, tie is happening, we'll take left element, so 1 2 3 4 will be our answer. So there are two approaches to do this question. First is linear search. We'll find index of this element, we will set this to L and this to R, and now we will make a result array 3. If L is less than, see which distance is less. 3 minus 2 is minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So this distance is less. So I will unshift this. Means push it from front. 2 comma 3. And I will make my L to this. Now I'll check L and R, which is more far from 3. So 1 is far from 3. 4 is not far from 3. So I'll push 4 and I'll increase R. Now I'll see 5 and 1, which is more far from 3. So 5 is more far from 3. So I'll push. So 1, 2, 3 for my answer. Okay. And now I'm telling you this binary search. So how this binary search happens? See, this is our question. Comma 4, comma 5. Okay. So see here, or let me increase my array 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And I want to find 4 closer element to 4 only. Suppose. So for so our middle element is what? This is our middle element, yes. So I will assume that this is my window. Okay. And I will say 4 is my answer. Means 4 is my x. X is equals to 4. This is my x. Okay. So I will check 9 m plus kth element. M plus k. This element is closer to that, or m is, see this is R and this is L. So 1 is L, not 2. This is L. So I'll see m is more closer to, or m plus k is more closer to. So m is more closer to 4. So then I'll decrease my R here. And now my array is like this, 1 2 3 4 5, and my middle is this. This is my m. Now I'll again take my window to this, and I'll compare from this. So 7 is more closer to 4, and 3, or 3 is more, so 3 is more closer to 4. So again my R will also be here. Now m is this, M is this, then my window is this, 2 to 5. Now I'll check from 6. 6 is more closer to 4, or 2 is more closer. So tie happens, so we'll take this is more closer to 4. Now R is here, and again my middle is here. Middle is here, and we will take this as a window, and then we will check for 5 and 1, which is more closer to 4. So 5 is more closer to 4. So our answer will be 2 3 4 5. Okay, yes, this will be our answer. So let me, so if you cannot understand it, see the code, then you'll understand it. And please, I would suggest you to dry run this question as well. This is not an easy question at all. So a dot length minus 1. I'm changing this array to a. I don't want to type much, that's why. While uh, L less than R, we'll calculate what? uh, M is equals to math dot floor. Okay, and L plus R by 2. Yes. And let M difference. So M difference will be what? X minus A of M. Okay. and you can use mat.abs that will take mod of this thing, but I'm using this thing. Mk difference is equals to a of m plus k minus x. So see, now I'll check if, okay, which difference is more. If this see, if m plus k difference is more, this is m plus k, this is 9, and this is m, this is 5. So m plus k distance is more from 4. Okay, then I'll shift my r. See, uh, which difference is more? If m difference is greater than, suppose, if greater than mk difference, there is a test case. If you want, I can take it. I'll shift my r. Else, l. I'll shift my l. Else, r is equals to m. Okay, so m difference is, if m difference more than m plus k difference. So let me show you that test case as well. Suppose my array is like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. See, and I want to find elements closer to 9. Suppose 9. Okay, and r is this, l is this, so middle will be 6. Okay, I think middle will be 6. 4 element here, 4 element here. Okay, middle is 6. And now I will see, I'll let my window is this, so I will see this m plus k. So which is more closer to 9? So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 6 and uh, 9 minus 6 is what? 3. So 1 is more closer. So my m plus k difference is less than, m plus k difference is less than m difference. So I will shift my l to here. Okay, and now my m will become this m. Okay, now I'll see which is more closer to that. See, now my array is out of bound, so I will go to else condition. I'll make my r here only. L is at 7 and r is at 8. Now middle element is 7. See this, just focus what I'm saying. M is here, and again my m plus k is out of bound, so it will go to else condition, and 7 8 9 10 is our answer. Is 7 8 9 10 our answer? 9 is closer to 9. Okay, 8 is also closer to 9, 10 is also closer to 9, and 7. Okay, this is our answer. So now just I want to return a dot slice, not li slice. uh, you can use r plus k. K element after r means 4 element, and it will do minus 1 as well. Okay, so okay, it will slice 4 element after r. Let me run this, and this is a perfect code and it will run. I have this confidence. Yes, so if I submit it, it will be submitted. And let's say if any test case fails. So loading, and any test case, no test case is failing. And see, you can do one more thing. We know that let me again make this array, uh, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Yes, 10. See, I know that my r will never exceed. See, I can start my r from here as well, because my maximum window can be this. After that, my window cannot start from 8 if my k is 4. Okay, if my k is equals to 4, my window cannot start from here. So I will make L and R here. Now my M will be here, middle, and which is less. See, I want to find 9. 9 only. Let's take example of 9. X is 9. So which is more closer to X? This R is more close. This middle is more closer to X, or R M plus kth element, M plus K, which element is more closer to x. So I will assume my window to this. So m plus k element is more closer to x. So I will increase L. So I can do this safely. I can do this. So see, I can a dot length minus k. I can do something like this, and this should not give me any error. And let's see if it gives me any error. Okay, so see, and if I submit it, this will also not give me any error. Okay, so see, it is submitting. And you can do this as this is uh, just for fun. I'm doing this. You can do this as well. But in initial code, you cannot change these things. See why I'm saying this. Uh, Here I'm changing this, and I think this will work. This won't give me any error. If m distance is greater than, see, no, this will give me error. Yes, this will give me error. And if m distance is less than uh, m distance, what is m distance? M distance from 9 is less than m plus kth difference. Is greater than m plus less than m plus kth difference. I will shift r is equals to m less than equal to. Else I will shift L. Okay. So this is a good code. Okay, let me see. Uh, it is pending. Okay, accepted. And if I submit this, this will also be submitted, I think. No error till now. Accepted or not. Here it has written accept. See, but see what I said. You cannot do these things in my previous code. Why? Suppose now I have okay, okay. I have done many things. I want to more times. So see, this was my code earlier. Here you cannot change this R and L and this condition. Then you will fall into error because my R is, see, in this thing my R is here. The changes when I'm doing, my R was here. So M plus K will not go out of bound. But here my R is here. So M plus K can go out of bound. That's why I cannot do it here. These changes here. So thank you so much if you understand this.